was a map pointing to my secret hiding place. It led you to the tree with the split in its trunk on the way into your family's yard. In that tree you saw I brought the dog back to life. Watch you from the branches while you stared from the ground with a look I couldn't understand. So I said, leave me alone. If your only words are ugly ones, and you just smile, so come and show me how it's done. That you saw behind the cellar door. That's the way you showed me that I wasn't quite alone, that you'd also touched the dead before.